We are now on to the marketing products and marketing terminology. This is not my area of expertise, was an area of learning for me. So here we have RTIM, Real-Time Interaction Management. Enterprise marketing technology that delivers contextually relevant experiences, value, and utility at the appropriate moment in the customer via preferred customer touchpoints. Salesforce offers this functionality in Marketing Cloud Personalization. Next, Marketing Cloud Intelligence, an AI-powered marketing intelligence engine formerly known as Datorama, helps customers make smarter decisions by connecting and acting on all of their marketing data, investments, and KPIs. Acquired by Salesforce in 2018, part of the Marketing Cloud. Marketing Cloud Personalization, a personalization and interaction management tool used to create relevant customer experiences, formerly known as Interaction Studio and Evergage. Salesforce Advertising Studio, a product that helps you engage with your customers and prospects, includes 3 applications: Advertising Audience, Journey Builder Advertising, and Lead Capture. You can use Advertising Studio to coordinate campaigns with social, mobile, sales, and customer service efforts. MCE, which stands for Marketing Cloud Engagement, which is a tool from Salesforce that lets you automate personalized, data-powered customer journeys across channels, connect and personalize every moment from email to mobile and more, and increase conversions with embedded AI and analytics. So Journey Builder is part of Marketing Cloud Engagement. It's a Marketing Cloud feature that helps marketers create, send, track, and optimize the effectiveness of cross-channel customer journey campaigns. GTL, not part of the official glossary, but it's a guided template language. Marketing Cloud Engagement programmatic language that takes data from specified data sources and applies it within templates used to render the content. GTL supports templates from mustache.js or handlebars.js, and it can access JSON data stored in data extensions within data engagement. We're going to get to data extensions in a moment. Business unit. This is a hierarchical administrative structure within Marketing Cloud that allows control over the access to and the sharing of information by defined user roles. And the associated terms, which also come in a moment, are Parent Business Unit, which is EID, and Child Business Unit, which is MID. Data extension. This is a table that stores data in Marketing Cloud Engagement. You can use data extensions for data storage or for sending messages to customers. Sendable DE relationship. Now, I found this in the RISE curriculum, which is about Data Cloud, and it said, for Marketing Cloud activation, individual ID maps to the subscriber key on the sendable DE relationship. Here's the EID again, which is a unique identifier for the parent business unit in Marketing Cloud. And the MID is a unique identifier for a child business unit in Marketing Cloud. But MAID is different from MID. MAID is a mobile advertising identifier, and that definition comes later in the mapping section. I decided to split them up so that we'll see it twice in 2 different videos so we can try to remember MAID, Mobile Advertising Identifier. I don't know how to pronounce this. Looks like BOPIS. It stands for Buy Online, Pick Up in Store. POS stands for Point of Sale. And now we get into some ways of scoring or ranking our customers. So there's affinity scores. This is a customer's product category buying affinity. So I guess it means their likelihood or their history of buying certain products in certain product categories is their affinity score. And then we have CLV, which is customer lifetime value, which represents the total revenue a customer generates for a business throughout the relationship. LTV seems to be another acronym for the same thing, lifetime value or customer lifetime value. And again, how much a customer spent with us from day one, either by customer as a whole or by individual products or categories. Now, this one, the total revenue a customer generates, that sort of maybe suggests that it's not just what they spend, but I don't know if there's any kind of soft credit type of situation where they generate income maybe as a partner or something like that. But I'm thinking that these are identical, but I'm not 100% sure. And then we have RFM, which stands for Recency Frequency Monetary. This was an answer in one of the quizzes that we found in the study materials, and it didn't sound like a real thing, so we didn't choose it, but it is a real thing. And the idea here is that it's a model where each customer is given a number from 1 to 5, with 1 being lowest and 5 being the best, for each of recency, frequency, and monetary based on their observed purchasing behavior. So I'm understanding this to mean how recently have they bought something, how frequently do they buy something, and how much are they spending. And so they would get a number. They get like a 2 for recency, a 3 for frequency, and a 5 for monetary, or any combination of numbers for those 3 things. And now we have some actions that we can take based on the scoring of the customers potentially. There's next best action and next best offer. So next best action is defined as a customer-focused marketing paradigm that considers the different actions that can be taken for a specific customer and then decides on the best one, best being in quotes. This next action could be an offer based on both the customer's interests and the marketing organization's business objectives. Next best offer would be a customized offer that delivers the merchandise, services, or information the customer wants at the right time, at the right price, and by their preferred communication channel. Next best offer. So a next best action could be an offer, or it could be another kind of action.